Well, it's Father's Day, and I don't know what I did right, but look, I got everybody working. Hold on, here. I got everybody working. There's two of them. Here's my other one. Back there working. Now, they're working on their own stuff, but they're still down in the shop working with Dad on Father's Day. So I think that's cool. Even the dog's working. Look, there's Lily. Good job, girls. Let's go over here and look and see what Tyler's doing. She never gets to work in the shop. Hard at work, working on her tumbler. Say hi, Miss Dillon. Miss Dillon's preggers. Mama is not preggers. Hallelujah for that.
Don't you even say such a
Hallelujah. Happy Father's Day. Rock on.